Sige, spread. Not too much. Sige, salain na po na bread. Sige, spread. Here. Put it here. 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 There.
We're
Yeah.
making it good. Good. I know how to make pizza.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Not too much. Then after, put on the cheese.
Okay. But, why aren't you making it, Ate Gladys? Why aren't you making bread?
I just want you to learn. Oh, careful.
Sure.
It's okay. Good girl. Oh, don't wipe the spoon now. Here. Okay. Spread.
Okay.
Oh. Go.
Keep going. Whoever wins.
Okay, that's enough.
Just wait.
Just last. Oh, there, go. Okay, enough. Then, put on the cheese. Here, put on the cheese.
Here.
Yum.
Give me the cheese.
Yum. Give the other one to Chloe, please. Okay.
Where do we put the cheese?
On top of the bread.
Like this?
Yeah, one each. Wait, I'll cut it first. Knock. Give me a sec.
Like this, Ate Gladys?
What? Hold on.
Like this, Ate Gladys?
Yep, like that. Good girl.
I know how to make it.